Hello everyone! In this short tutorial, we'll take a look at how the vertical labels command works and how you can customize the labels to fit your needs. We'll demonstrate this using a project that already includes a layout and a longitudinal profile. Let's start by launching the vertical labels command. This opens a dialog where we define the input data. Next, click the icon in the lower left corner to access additional label settings. This opens another dialog with 3 tabs. On the left side, you'll find all the available configuration options, while the right side displays a dynamic preview of the labels. This preview updates automatically as you adjust the parameters. You can also zoom in for a better view of the labels. And then on the right side, you can adjust the settings. For example, if you change the color, you'll see the update immediately in the preview window. Switching over to the Data Label tab, you'll find even more options. If there's a specific value you don't want to display, you can simply hide it. To do that, open the drop-down menu for position and select the / option. Now let's jump to the last, 3rd tab, where you'll find settings for text styling. Here, you can freely adjust all text parameters as needed. Once you're happy with the settings, just click OK, and the labels will be inserted into your drawing. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.